Alright, this is an application question, and the fuel becomes charged because the friction between the moving fuel and the hose makes the fuel lose electrons to the hose, so the fuel becomes positively charged. And we are told that the fuel becomes positively charged. That's why we know that the direction of movement of the electrons is from the fuel to the hose. Now, if unchecked, this is pretty dangerous because the positively charged aircraft may result in a spark. When excess charges build up, there's always a risk of electrons jumping over to and fro, and this causes a spark. This how lightning is formed. This is why you see a spark when we do the Van de Graaff generator demo. So this spark will therefore ignite the fuel vapor, and this will cause a fire or explosion. And therefore, a solution that we always do to prevent this spark from being generated is always to ground the objects. You don't see it on the airplane explicitly, but if you look around for lorries, you will see sometimes there's a metal chain that touches and gets dragged onto the ground. And this metal chain is actually the grounding connection, because as the car moves, the air rubs against the truck or the car, and this can cause the car to be charged up or the truck to be charged up. And the same danger applies that if the car or the truck is so charged up and is transporting fuel, then there's a risk of a spark happening, and that will just make the whole fuel tank explode. So therefore, fuel tankers or trucks usually have a metal chain that touches the ground. This is the grounding connection. Whenever charges are being built up on the car, the grounding connections actually neutralize the truck or the car immediately, preventing charges from being built up on the car. Well, there are many examples here. One example is lightning can strike objects or people, and we wouldn't like that to happen.